Hello, my name is Sephy and welcome to my little corner of YouTube. In this video, I'm taking you to see a property for sale in Kumasi, exactly at 𝗟𝗧𝗧 𝗧𝗧𝗧. Actually, in case you don't know, 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗧 is one of the posh estates in Kumasi, and the 𝗘𝗺𝗶𝗹 area is the new extension of this 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗧. That is, many new houses are being built there and are available for sale, or in case you want to buy a land in 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗧 now, it's around the 𝗘𝗺𝗶𝗹 area. We are here at the property, and this property is actually a gated 3-story building house with each building made up of 2 apartments, that is one at the top and one at the bottom. Overall, the property is made up of 6 apartments, all for sale together. That means that it's not the apartment that is for sale, but the 6 apartments of the property for sale. Before we go see the inside of the apartments, let me show you the external structure and beauty of this property. Now that we are done with the exterior, let me show you the inside of the apartment. By the way, we will use this apartment as a prototype since all of the 6 apartments of this property are identical. Here is the living room, also called the parlor, depending on which country you are coming from. So we are now heading to the room, and each apartment has 3 bedrooms and each room has its own bathroom. For the sake of demonstration, since all the bedrooms are almost identical, I'm just going to show you this one. Yes, this one. This is another bedroom just like the one I just showed you. And here is the kitchen with several cupboards and wide windows, enough to diffuse the odors generated while cooking in the kitchen. As I earlier said, this was just a prototype tour of the apartment, since all of the apartments of this property are identical. Moreover, this property has a boys' quarter or a security quarter that contains a bedroom and a bathroom. Adding to what has already been said and is being seen in the video, this property is enclosed in an electric fence. The water and the light connection are already set, with each apartment having its own meter. Also, water tank is available just to prevent shortage of water. And most importantly, the property goes for a negotiable price of $650,000 US. In case you're interested in this property or want to know more about the property, kindly contact the owner through the email and the phone number displayed on the screen. As we are ending the video, I would like to know what you think of the property. How do you find the property? Did you like it or not, and why? See you next time, and please subscribe.